Well, for more on this, Joel Rubin joins us, and he's a former U.S. Deputy Assistant Secretary of State for Legislative Affairs. Good to speak to you. So how significant will Kavanaugh's place on the Supreme Court be if elected?
It will be very significant, and thank you for having me as well. This will be the first time in recent memory that we will have a solid block of conservative justices. The swing vote had been for a number of years Anthony Kennedy, the justice who retired, who is now being replaced by Brett Kavanaugh, who's seen as a very conservative justice. So it will move a solid block of 5 votes out of 9 towards the conservative side.
But do you think this will affect Supreme Court's reputation?
It has taken quite a hit in the last couple of weeks. The Supreme Court is supposed to be an independent body that is perceived by Americans as a fair arbiter of justice. And right now, Democrats certainly feel as if Brett Kavanaugh attacked them during the confirmation hearings, and that because of that, he has biases that are going to render his judgments more tilted against more progressive or liberal views in the country. And that's damaging because the Supreme Court ultimately is the one branch of government that seems to be the most impactful over recent memory, because Congress and the executive branch have had such a hard time at settling issues. The Supreme Court is the ultimate decider on many very important issues affecting the social fabric of the country.
And Joel, has this accusation and the surrounding media coverage reversed a principle of innocence until proven otherwise?
Well, that is absolutely something that there's going to need to be a lot of soul searching about. Certainly, Brett Kavanaugh's accusers made a compelling case, and then the FBI investigation demonstrated that, from its perspective, that was a case made but not necessarily confirmed. And the media commentary, though, has been very active, and it has fired up images of guilt or innocence. And I think that's the real lasting danger of what has happened, is that the FBI investigation was rushed. We did not have a thorough investigation that really would have laid to rest questions related to Brett Kavanaugh's character and past behavior. So there's a bit of an unknown here, and that's going to stay with him and in many ways harm his reputation as well.
Well, we have to wrap it up here. Thank you very much for that insight there.